Hello everyone. In today's video, we will see how we can clip raster image using vector or save file in QGIS. So, for illustration purpose, I am using Chirp's rainfall data as a raster image. How you can download Chirp's rainfall data that I had shown in one of my video. So, to start with, first we'll go in layer, add raster layer. So this is example of CHIRP's rainfall data of 2023. Add and close. Now, this is a global rainfall data. If we want data for specific area, let's say for India, we need to have a vector or save file for this area. So we'll just open the vector file. Okay, so here you can see the save file of India has been loaded. Now, using this save file, we will crop this much region. The step goes as raster extraction in this option. Now, in input layer, we have to select a raster image. And in mask layer, we have to select the save file. And here just save the file. Click on run. Then close. So here we can see this we get a rainfall data for India. Now once we have the clipped image, we'll change its property for better representation. So first we'll add data value as 0, apply and OK. So we can see the background has been removed. Then we'll again go to properties, symbology, single band pseudo color. These kind of changes we had also seen in one of my old video, that is of NDVI mapping. Here we'll change it to discrete, minimum value to 0. Color you can take as per your liking. Label precision, I will keep 2. Equal interval classes we can increase here. So all these parameters you can set as per your requirement. Then apply and OK. So now this is a better representation of the rainfall of India for the year 2023. Now, if you want to save this image or you want to use it for publication, for that you need to add the various mapping features. So, go in new print layout. From here, add the image and then set this image and add the coordinates scale bar north arrow And how we can add this I have already shown in my videos, so you can check it from there. Hope this video is useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.